Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making deep fried Oreo cookie treat. First, we're gonna need an Oreo cookie. We're gonna need a pancake mix, which is a cup, 2/3 cups of milk, a teaspoon and a half oil, 1 egg, and some oil for frying. First, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Add the eggs, 1 egg, the milk, and the oil. And we have to give it a good mix. Once everything is well mixed up like so, turn on the gas and heat up your frying oil. It's about this much. Set your oven to medium high, and once the frying oil is hot enough, then you grab your Oreo cookie, dip it in the batter, give it a good stir, and sieve out the excess batter. Like so. Then dip it in the oil. Do so to the next. You do not want to overcrowd the pot. Then flip to the other side. If you choose, you can garnish with powdered sugar. There you have it, your delicious deep fried Oreo cookie. Enjoy!